Hi, everybody. Come on in. I'm Darlene Viering. I'm the Senior Vice President of Franchise Development here at Poolwerx, and we are today standing in our Poolwerx Support Center here in Farmers Branch, Texas. Our franchisees, as they come into our system, come to 2 weeks of pool school, and everybody always asks, what's that like? Okay, so over here, this is our retail showroom. So our franchise partners, as they grow and scale with Poolwerx, will open a retail location in about 36 months. Over here, we have our proprietary chemical line, Vitalize, and we start to learn all about our chemicals, and we learn about all the products that we're going to be selling in our retail location. But again, this is just our showroom, just the beginning of retail. Okay, so we have pool school going on, which is our initial 2-week training period. Let's go take a look at the classroom training. As you can see, we have a full classroom setup in here. We have our trainers, and this is where a lot of time is spent with our different departments, learning about the brand. Now that we've seen our classroom training facility, let's go take a look at our technical training facility. Come on. So here in our technical training facility, right, it's a lot of hands-on. We have electrical stations that we're going to learn everything we need to learn. We have plumbing stations. We're going to learn everything we need to about pool plumbing. And we actually are going to take pumps apart. We're going to put them back together. Now let's take a look at the main attraction, which is our pool. As our trainees leave pool school, they leave with their certified pool operator certification, as well as all the skills they need to get started and start working on their first pools. So as you can see, I'm standing underneath the pool, right? Our pools are raised so that our trainees and our trainer can get underneath the pool to work on equipment. This thing gets installed, new equipment all the time, every training. We're working on different types of equipment. We can see the plumbing, we can see the flow of the water. So it's really important that we can get to the underbelly of the pool. So that we've seen what we can work on underneath the pool, let's go up and see what that pool looks like from another view. So here we are at the main attraction of our technical training center. This is our indoor pool. We are going to unbalance the pool. We are going to rebalance the pool to find that healthy chemical balance. We are the healthy pool people, so it's really important for us. So this is a big piece of our training, and we're really excited that that's here. So now we've taken the tour of our technical training facility. Let's go take a look at the rest of the Poolwerx Support Center. Come on. Okay, so also in our Poolwerx Support Center is our corporate teams. These are our support teams. Their offices are upstairs. Let's go take a look. So here in the Poolwerx Support Center, we have our operations team, we have our marketing team, we have our finance team, and every franchise development team, everybody who's here to support you. So here at the Poolwerx Support Center, as you can see, we have a lot of support staff. They are here to engage with our franchise partners, and as new franchise partners in training, we're here to onboard you and help you every step of the way so you're up and running quickly. Okay, thanks for coming and joining us today, everybody, for learning more about our Poolwerx Support Center and Pool School. We look forward to seeing you there soon.